students, our session today is about geometrical transformations, and today we will talk about translation. Okay, we have many geometrical transformations, but we will discuss in this year only translation. Okay, what do we mean by translation? Translation means to move the point to a new position. For example, here get the image of point A. Here we have point A. I want to get the image of point A by the translation in the direction xy, from x to y, and a magnitude of 2 centimeters. Okay, so we want to move A. In which direction? This direction, like x, y, like the ray x, y. So I'll move A to in this direction and the magnitude of 2 centimeters. So if we want to make a translation, we should know that two important information, which is direction and magnitude. The direction here is the direction from x to y, and the magnitude is 2 centimeters. It's very easy to draw the image of A. I'll draw a line parallel to xy like this. Then I'll measure 2 centimeters and I'll put the new point, which is A dash. A dash means the image of A. Okay, now this is the original point A and this is the image of A. In which direction? In the direction from x to y. Draw a parallel line to this direction. Measure the magnitude, which is 2 centimeters here. Then put a new point, which is the image of A. Okay, let's take another example. Draw the image of the line segment AB by translation in the direction from L to M, in this direction, from L to M, and a magnitude of 4 centimeters. By the same way, but in this case, we will draw the image of A, then the image of B by the same way. The first step, direction from L to M. So I'll draw line segments parallel to LM and with the length of 4 centimeters. Then I'll put the new point here, which is the image of A dash. Okay, let's move to point B. Also draw a parallel to LM and measure 4 centimeters and put a new point, which is B dash. B dash is the image of B. Now let's join A dash with B dash. This is the image of AB. So the image of AB is A dash B dash. Okay, we will notice that AB is congruent to A dash B dash. The two line segments have the same length and they are parallel. Okay, so AB is parallel to A dash B dash, and also AB is equal to A dash B dash. Okay, in the coordinate plane, the direction will be determined by x and y. For example, here we have 3 points, 3 and 4, 5 and -7, -1 and -2. We want to find the image of each of the 3 points by a given translation. The first one, 3 and 4, with a translation x and y minus 9. We said before the first coordinate is x, the second one is y. So x is 3, it will stay, and 4, this is y, we will add -9. So 3 will stay as it is, because here only x, not x plus a number or negative a number. 4 minus 9. Okay, so 3, then 4 minus 9 equal -5, or 4 plus -9, the same. 4 plus -9 the sign of the greater negative and subtract 9 minus 4 equals 5. The next one, the translation here is 5 and 7. So we will add 5 plus 5, this is the x coordinates, and negative 7 plus 7. 5 plus 5 is 10. Negative 7 plus 7 is 0. So 10 and 0. This is the image of this point. The last point here, negative 1 and negative 2. The translation is negative 2 and negative 3. So negative 1 plus negative 2, negative 3. Negative 2 plus negative 3, negative 5. So we have negative 3 and negative 5. Don't forget, the first coordinate is x and the second one is y. Let's take an exercise. Draw a rectangle ABCD where A 4 and 1, B 4 and 3, C 1 and 3, D 1 and 1. Then, after we draw ABCD, this is a rectangle. Then draw its image by the translation x plus 1 and y plus 2. Let's start by determine the image of each point. Then we will draw. Okay, the translation here is x plus 1 and y plus 2. So we will add 1 to x and 2 to y. A 4 and 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the image is 5 and 3. B 4 and 3. The image of B dash will be 4 plus 1, which is 5, 3 plus 2, which is 5. Okay, so 5 and 5. C dash by the same way, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So we have 2 and 5. This is C dash. Finally, D, 1 and 1. We will add 1 to the first coordinates. 1 plus 1 equals 2 and 1 plus 2 equals 3. So D dash is 2 and 3. Okay, now let's draw. We will start at first by drawing the original rectangle ABCD. A 4 and 1. Look at here. This is 4. Then go up to 1. So we put this point and name it as A. The second one, B 4 and 3. This is 4 and go up until we reach 3. So this is point B. C 1 and 3, but the same way. Start from x, then go to y. 1 and 3, this is 1 and go up 3. So this is point C, and the last one, D 1 and 1. This is point B. Okay, now let's join the points and draw the rectangle ABCD. This is the rectangle ABCD. Okay, now we want to draw the image. Here we have the image A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, let's start with the first point, 5 and 3. This is 5 and go up until 3. So this is point A dash, B dash, 5 and 5. C dash 2 and 5 by the same way. Start from X, then up to Y. Okay, this is C dash, and finally this point is D dash. Now we can join the points to draw the image of the rectangle ABC, which is A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. This is the new rectangle, which is the image of the original one. Okay, we can do by the same steps. We can draw the image of any polygon if we have the translation and the coordinates of the original points. Okay, I hope you have understand our session today. It's very easy. Thank you very much for watching. Next session we will discuss the area of the circle. Thank you very much and goodbye.